Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Vatican pasta with oil. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The linguine is in the jacuzzi. The oil, garlic, and the Aleppo pepper doing their thing. The linguine is ready. I add the oil, garlic, and Aleppo to the linguine. And then I add the parsley. It's all mixed up and ready to go. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.